Hi everyone, welcome to Solve It. Today we'll simplify algebraic expression step by step. By the end of this video, you'll be provided. Simplifying means making an expression as compact as possible by combining like terms and performing operations. Like terms have the same variable and exponent. The variable x, and let's say 3x, where x is the variable and the exponent is 1, is 1. So it's the same. Yeah. Don't combine. Yeah. Don't combine for example 2x and sorry and 4. Why don't combine the same 2x and 4? Because 2x and 4 is not the same. Yeah? We don't have here an x. If we have an x here, okay, we can plus them, we can add them, we can subtract them, but like this, no. Yeah. Also, we cannot. We have another example is 2x plus 2xy. Yeah, 2x and 2xy is not the same, so we cannot combine them. We cannot add them. We cannot divide them. We cannot plus them. We cannot do anything because we have an extra y in here. Okay, so when two numbers look the same, for example, 4y minus y, okay, those are the same, so we can subtract them in this case. Yeah? They should be the same, so we can add them or subtract them or plus or multiply, divide. Okay, okay. Now let's go to our lesson for today. So simplifying expressions. Let's say we have 2x plus 3 plus 4x minus 5 equal. Let's get rid of the brackets. 2x plus 3 plus 4x minus 5. Okay. Yeah, we can see here we have 2x and 4x, and we have plus 3 and minus 5. 2x, we cannot add to 3 with number 3 there. Yeah? 2x plus 3x make 5x. We cannot. Yeah, because we have a variable, we have an x there. So we can add only the x's. So 2x plus 4x. 2x plus 4x equals, I'm sorry, equals 6x. Yeah? So we finish with 2x and 4x. We left with 3 plus 3 and minus 5. Okay, so we have plus 3 minus 5. Plus with minus makes minus. Yeah? 3 minus 5, okay, difficult to do this, but we can do 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 makes 2. Which one is the bigger number? Which one is the biggest number? 3 or 5? Okay, it is 5. So 5, what has in front of it? It has a minus. So we're going to be minus 2. So here we go. We have the answer. So the answer is going to be 6x minus 2 is the answer. Okay, let's have another one. Let's have 3a plus 4 minus 2a minus 1. Let's say equal. Okay. First, we have number 3. We have to multiply number 3 with both, with a and 4. So 3 multiplied by a, it's going to be 3a, plus 3 multiplied by 4, we're going to make 12. Minus, and now 2 multiplied by 1 and 2 multiplied by a. 2 multiplied by a, we're going to be 2a, minus, we have minus 2 and minus 1. When we multiply, divide, minus with minus makes plus. 2 multiplied by 1 makes 2. Now, the same variable. We have an a here and we have an a here. Yeah, 3a, 2a. It doesn't matter, it's 3 and 2. The most important thing is we have an a there. We have the same exponent 1, so we can add them. We can subtract them, sorry. 3a minus 2a, we're going to be 1a, but 1, we don't have to write it. Yeah? So we're going to be left with a. Now we have plus 12 and plus 2. 12 plus 2 makes 14. Yeah? So this is the answer. We cannot add 14 and a, we cannot add. Yeah? It's not the same thing. So a plus 14 is the answer. Okay, let's have another one. 5a, it can be a, can be x, can be t, can be anything. Actually, not 5a. Let's have 5y this time. 5y minus 2 minus 3y plus 4 equal. Okay, pause the video and try and solve it. Okay, I consider you pause the video, so let's solve it. Let's get rid of the brackets, yeah? So we can see much better. We have 5y minus 2. And now in here we have minus 1, but that minus 1, we have a minus in there. Actually, it's not minus. It's not just minus, it's a minus 1 in there. Yeah, minus 1. So now when we multiply, this one minus 1 multiplied by 3y. When you multiply, minus with plus makes minus. So gonna be 3y. Now, minus 1 plus 4, multiply plus 4. Minus with minus make minus, so minus with plus makes minus. 1, 4, 1 multiplied by 4, we're going to make 4. Now, same variable, 5y minus 3y, we're going to be 2y. Minus 2, minus 4. Yeah? Minus 2, minus 4, minus with minus makes plus. So 2 plus 4 is 6. But what we're going to have? We're going to have a minus or we're going to have a plus in here. Yeah? We're going to look at the bigger number. Which one is the bigger number, 2 or 4? Actually, it doesn't matter here. Yeah? It's number 4. So because number 4 is the bigger one, the bigger number, we keep what is in front of 4. We have a minus, so we're going to be 2y minus 6. This one is the answer. 2y minus 6. Okay, let's have another one. This time we will have 4, 2, sorry, 2b plus 3 plus b equal. Okay. Now we're gonna have to multiply 4 multiplied by 2b and also 4 multiplied by 3. Not plus b2 because it's not in the bracket, so we don't have to do that. So 4 multiplied by 2 makes 8b plus 4 multiplied by 3 makes 12. And also we have the plus b. 8b and b is the same, so 8b plus b makes 9b. And we have 12. Yeah. So this is the answer. Okay, let's have another one. This one is a long variant this time. So we're gonna have a 6y squared plus 10y plus 2y squared plus 3y plus y. In this case, we're going to look for the same variable and we have to be careful at the exponent too. So we have 6y squared. Do we have a do we have a y squared too? Another one? Yes, we have here 2y. Yeah, so we're going to plus them together. What else do we have? We have 10y. The exponent is 1. We have 3y and we have y. Those three we're going to add them together. So 6y plus 2y makes 8y plus 10y plus 3y makes 13y. 13y plus y makes 14y. So 8y plus 14y is 8y squared, I'm sorry. 8y squared plus 14y is the answer. That's it for today. But before we go, let me give you a small homework. So 2, 3y, 3m plus 4 minus 3, 2m minus 1 equals how much? Leave the answer in the comments below. After some time, when I have some answer in the comments, I will place the correct answers too. Thank you very much for today and have a nice day. Bye.